A 4-month-old Staffordshire Bull Terrier whose skull was fractured by a bite from another dog is now healing, thanks to a new 3D printed mask. The puppy, named Loca, was left with a broken cheekbone and jawbone, along with extensive damage to other parts of her face after the incident. According to the veterinarians at UC Davis, Loca was the perfect candidate to test out the exoskeleton face mask, and now, months later, they say she's recovering well. Scroll down for video. The exoskeleton is a 3D printed mask for dogs with maxillomandibular injuries, according to the team. It was developed in collaboration with biomedical engineering students at the University of California, Davis. While Loca's injuries were severe, her young age meant she had a better chance that her temporomandibular joint, TMJ, the jaw hinge, would heal through natural bone regrowth. The 3D printed cast works much like a traditional cast that would be used for a leg, for example, to help a fracture heal. Upon arriving to the hospital, the researchers conducted a CT scan, revealing the full extent of her injuries. Then, they performed a salvage surgery to remove bone fragments. The team used the CT scan to specially craft a mask around the measurements of her head. Loca did extremely well throughout her 3-day hospitalization, according to UC Davis School of Veterinary Medicine. She almost immediately began eating soft food and remained comfortable on her pain medications. Loca also had to wear a padded neck bandage for additional support. The puppy spent the next month wearing the mask and neck collar, and she wasn't allowed to play with toys, bones, or anything hard that she could chew on. A month later, she returned for a checkup, revealing she was recovering well. Additional CT scans showed there was new bone forming where the old TMJ was. And, at this time, she would be able to eat hard kibble to encourage the function of the joint. The checkup also indicated that she was developing 2 malformed molar teeth. But, as the healing process progressed, the team said Loca continued to recover well. Almost 3 months later, Loca received her third cone beam CT scan, which revealed that her previous surgery sites healed well and that the new TMJ formation was progressing nicely, according to UC Davis. The CT scan and full mouth dental radiographs showed that her first and second molars on her right mandible were indeed malformed. Those teeth were extracted without complication. Loca continues to recover well from her injuries, and all indications show the exoskeleton to be a viable component to maxillofacial injury healing.